Hi besties, in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you 5 websites or apps that pay you to shop, and the first one on my list is called PG Good Everyday. Have you heard of PG Good Everyday before? Guys, PG Good Everyday gives you 50 points for every P&G products that you purchase, as well as a donation to a charity of your choice. And they also offer 25 points for every survey that you take. And in addition, they also have featured promotions where you can get paid for purchasing a specific amount of qualifying goods. Yes, and they have a family of brands that you have a lot in common, like Tide, Bounty, Charming, Head and Shoulders. So of course you're bound to find something that you always use. Plus they have exclusive coupons and promo codes for some of their brands. Their cash out, their minimum payout is so small, yes, which makes it so good for you. Yes, so go ahead and check it out and thank me later. Guys, the next app on my list is called Paw Point Rewards. Yes, have you guys heard of it before? I bet you have not. So guys, Paw Point Rewards give you points for purchasing cat food, litter, and treats. They also have a variety of other little offers available. This site is so pretty. But if you have a cat and you don't mind scanning your receipts, you might as well get some extra stuff for your fur baby. Yes, they have very minimum cash outs for these offers, so go ahead and check them out. Now the next app on my list is called Skiff Rewards. Skiff Rewards gives you points for purchasing Skiff products from any retailer, and they have brands like Airborne, Digestive, Advantage, Mega Red, New River, Move Free, Skiff Nutrition, and possibly more. And you earn $10 points for every $1 spent. 10 points, sorry, for every $1 spent, and you can redeem your points, your rewards for coupons. Yes, and you can get your payouts. Yes, you can get your payouts through PayPal, your bank accounts, and what have you. Yes, so guys, after earning 3,000, you can even get more bonus points, and they plan to give access to, of course, wellness experts. Yes, so a very minimum low payout, which makes it really good. I'm telling you, and you can also use it to get Costco gift card. So guys, the next app on my list is called Old Orchard Fan Club. Now, Old Orchard Fan Club is a loyalty reward site. It's actually not a receipt scanning app, but you can earn points in a variety of ways, like publishing receipts, playing games, and joining their newsletter. Every year on your birthday, they will give you 3,000 points, and you can use it to get some things for yourself. You can also get a BOGO coupon, and they also have other coupon brands, words like lip balm, jar opener, pots, etc. Even if you don't want to do anything on the site, it doesn't even hurt for you to sign up and get a coupon for a free stuff. I'm telling you guys, the next app on my list here is called Think Testing. Guys, Think Testing is a new thing. It's a new one to me as this year is concerned, but of course it's legit. I did it once, yes, and I was paid before the products even shipped out. I'm telling you. So once you purchase the products, you'll be expected to leave an honest review on Think Testing. Yes, and then you also earn points for leaving the review. Now the points are used to level up, and when you get to level 5, you unlock a little kit with other gifts that they have for you. Yes, they pay very fast, and there's decent amount of offers. I'm telling you, many of these offers allow you to buy them online. Please keep an eye on the individual offers terms. Keep in mind they don't cover shipping tax or even shipping. Don't forget to pick your rewards once they are ready, once they send it to you. So guys, some of their cash out platforms, they pay out to Venmo, to PayPal, to and also Tremendous. Guys, working for you guys day and night. In my next video, I'm going to share with you juicy apps that you don't want to miss for anything. So guys, if you're new to this channel, by all means, like we always do here, we don't just watch videos and move on. I really want to know you and me too. What part of the world are you tuning in from? And if you're a returning subscriber, you guys are just amazing. Thank you for your incredible love and massive support to your girl. I see you and I appreciate every single one of you. God bless you. And yes, if you're seeing this gorgeous hyper queen for the very first time, let me go ahead and introduce myself. Of course, my name is Mariam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. On this channel, I share with you various ways to make money on Laziest. I always say, guys, and it's something I'm sure you'll agree with me, that money is everywhere. You just need to know where to look. The moment you know where to look, you will never be broke again. So guys, please do well to introduce yourselves in the comments. There is a giveaway at the end of today's video. Yes, introduce yourselves. I'd like to know you and me too, where in the world are you tuning in from. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for your love and your support. I see you, and I really appreciate you you guys. God bless you. Yes, so guys, here is my giveaway. We have come to that segment. So besties, we have finally launched our Telegram community. All you need to do is share the links to my Telegram community. You join first, then share the links to my Telegram community with your friends and family. Yes, and then guess what? I'm gonna give you $100 cash gift. Yes, it's coming from me to you. So yes, if you want to win my giveaway, just go ahead and start sharing my links. Please don't just dump the link anywhere. You have to give them a caption of what to expect if they join the Telegram community. So tell them that this is a community where we share various ways to make money online, and we upload videos 3 times every week. It's just to update your current, most recent opportunities to make money online. So go ahead and start sharing the link. And yes, that is it for today. At this point, I want to say a big thank you to my amazing Patreon members. You guys are the best. Honestly, I don't know what I've done to deserve your love, but thank you from the deepest part of my heart. God bless you real good. If you want to join my Patreon community, please find the link in the description as well as in the comments. Join my Patreon community, you get a free one-on-one consultation with me. You can both discuss all things grants, money, business, and everything in between. So guys, that is it about the video. In case you have any question for me, please note we don't bite here. Go ahead and leave your questions for me in the comments, and I'll be more than happy to respond to every single one of you. Please see this channel as a safe space for you to express yourself. If you need me to do a research tailored to your specifications, please let me know. I'll be more than happy to do all of this research for you guys. So please make sure that you check out my previous videos in case you have not, and do well to share this video, like today's video, and do well to tell a friend about these awesome opportunities that I am sharing with you guys right here on this channel. Please note, if you have not introduced yourself yet, my God is watching you. Please introduce yourself in the comments. I'd really like to know you. How did you find my video? Who sent it to you? What part of the world are you watching from? I like to really know you guys, in the community here, because for me, it goes beyond just watching my videos and moving on. I really genuinely want to know you, and I want to meet you for real. Let me know what part of the world you are watching from. How did you find my video? Who sent it to you? Let me know so I can say a big thank you to whoever sent this video to you guys. So thank you all so much once again for watching my video all the way till the very end. In case you have not checked out my previous videos, please do well to do that right now, and also do well to turn on the notification bell for this channel. Turn on the notification bell so that every single time I upload a new video, you're among the first to get notified of these opportunities. And that is it for today, guys. Making money, I said money is everywhere. You just need to know where to look. The moment you know where to look, you will never be broke again. I can assure you, and I'm speaking from experience. So guys, that is it for today. I hope to see you in my next video. In case no one has told you today, let me be the first to tell you that you're amazing, and I am so proud of you. All right, take care of yourself and Express, and I will see you in my next video. Take care, guys, and bye for now. Love you.